Okay everyone, welcome to this very short tutorial. For those of you who have gone through my um, theoretical training on WhatsApp, on Telegram, wherever you have gone through this training, on my Facebook group, on my WhatsApp, on Telegram channels, wherever you've taken my theoretical trainings, I believe you've got into this part where we will be using a content management system to create our website. Okay, so today we will be going ahead to create our website. Once again, the app we are using is called Strikingly. You can find it in your Play Store or iOS and your iPhone store. It's called Strikingly. You can just type it Strikingly, and you will find the app there, and then you create your account with the app. Once you create your account with the app, it will take you to this very section. Over here I have two websites, but if you do it for the first time, there will be nothing here. It will be as empty as a container. So we'll just go ahead and hit create a new site. So yours, it might be in the middle, but mine is at the top because I have two other sites already running on this very platform. Please, if you have not taken my free class, do well to get into my free class. I'll be dropping a link to that class below. Do well to get into that class. It's very intuitive and interactive. On Telegram especially, I am more flexible on Telegram rather than WhatsApp, as the case may be. So do well to get into my Telegram class or probably my Facebook group, as a lot of training goes on there. I'm currently working on my official website, where most of these trainings will be going on after now. Okay, so quickly let's go ahead and hit the button, like I said, create new site, and then it will take us to the template section where we have to select our templates. These are different templates already made for you, so you don't have to struggle to start designing all from scratch. Okay, you don't have to start designing all from scratch. So we're going to choose one template here depending on your category of business. We have category for business, we have that for startup, we have that for personal, we have that for portfolio. So we're just going to go ahead and click one. I'm going to go to business, I'm going to scroll down and then hit this very one here and then preview. Now before you choose any template you want to use, you just have to click and preview how the template looks like. So when you hit the template, it take you to the preview section, so you can scroll through the template and see if it suits your need. So if it's not what you want, you go back and then look for another one. So if, let's say, this particular template is called minimal, if it wasn't okay for me, I would just go back and then look for another one. So okay, if I see this one, I can hit it then and wait for it to load. This is called light deck. Yeah, it's called light deck, and I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna scroll through these very templates, scroll through it, see how it looks. If I like it, I pick it. If I don't like it, I leave it, and I go to another one. So same thing you're gonna do till you get a nice template that suits your need. You can see this one here. If I hit, it's called a bright template. It opens up, and you're able to view the template, how it looks. You're able to view it, how it looks, and if it's something you want to make use of, you go ahead and click on it. So let me go to minimal again and see if it's nice for me to hold. So let's open it once again. Who we are, work with us, organization, a community, professionalism, pro bono service, dedication, our work, meet our team. Go to like this and contact us. I think okay, I think I like this very well, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on hit I'm gonna hit the start editing button. So if you found a wonderful template you like, just go ahead and hit the start editing button, and it will take you to the site editor, the website editor. This um editor is the web editor by Strikingly. This is a site editor that you use to create your site. It's a very easy to use site editor, and it's very flexible. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for my editor to load, and then we start editing. And here we are. Finally my container sorry, my template, here we are, and finally my template is up, and it's ready for editing. So I just have to start working on my um, template right now. Okay, this is the very template I choose, so I'm going to start working on the template right now. Okay, there are some images that this is due to my network, some sections are not loading, but from my template I was made to know that there is an image up here before the name. Okay, so I'm going to hit that section. You see, as I hit, it brings up this replace image, so I'm going to click on it to replace the image. Now this Strikingly, as you can see, it has an option for you to take a photo instantly. Okay, if there's something you want to snap and upload into the website that is right live there with you, you're just going to take a photo. So if you already have the image stored in your phone, you're going to choose from phone. And this one wonderful thing about Strikingly is that they have a library of high quality, high definition stock photos. Okay, so I'm going to choose from their library of stock photos. So I'm going to right click on Strikingly library, and they will take me to their library of stock photos, and I'm going to choose from which one I like. And they have different categories here. You're going to choose I think based on what we have there, it's an icon that is supposed to be there. I think that's why we are here. It's an icon, so depending on you, if you want to use an icon and an image, you have to upload the image. But since it's an icon, I am here. I'm going to choose this very icon here to be there. Good. So now we have this icon, and I'm going to change the name to Coach Kallen Consults. Okay, I'm going to change it to Coach Kallen Consults, and I'm going to say the official library of Coach Kallen. Let me make this Coach Kallen repository. Okay, so I'm going to make it Coach Kallen repository, and I'm going to say the official library of Coach Kallen. And right here, if you see, we have this the background. Now this very section that we have the white layer, okay, this whole section that we have the white layer has a background. So if rather you want to use that a background image rather than just a white image, you're just going to hit it. The same thing, you choose your photo, or you take from your phone, or you go to the Strikingly library. Now you can see the difference. The initial one we choose an icon, but now this very one is taking us to a photo where we can choose a particular image from the stock photos available, made available by Strikingly. Now they have different categories. Now this very first category is the pattern. As you can see, all images here are patterns. Okay, you can choose from the patterns, or you can go ahead down here. If you see down below here, you see different categories of images you want to choose for. And the last one here, we have solid colors. If you want a rather solid color, you can choose from the colors here. If you want to choose the pattern, this pattern is very nice. Let's see how it's going to look like. So you see, this is the pattern I'm using here, and it has an overlay. So if you want to select it again, you want to edit it, you click on the background. Okay, make sure you click on the background. Now if you look at the difference, if I click here, that we have this section of the image, you can see this box here showing that what you actually click is this element here. So you have not actually clicked the background. So instead, I'm going to click here rather than here. Here it will take me to this image. If I click here, it will take me to this text. So that I'm going to click outside where it will not affect any of this image, and I'm going to click replace image, and then go to the library. Now I'm going to use an image. I'm going to look for business. Okay, I'm going to go to business, and I'll look for an image that suits me, and I like this one, so I'm going to pick that image. Good, I'm going to pick that image, so I'm going to leave it there. But that's not what I want to use here, so I'm going to go back and go to the pattern we initially used, because I love that pattern so much. It's so cool. Just look at it. Wow, 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 this pattern is so cool. Now you can see here they said we should add a button. Now I'm going to add a button, and this button is going to say get a free consult. Okay, so people who come to my repository, they get into my library, they get to my books, and they want to have a quick consultation, a quick chat with me. So I'm going to put here, okay, instead of get a free consult, I'm going to say chat with me now. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do here. So there's an option for you to add a button on this hero section. It's called, this very first section is called the hero section. So there's an option for you to put a button. So but if there's no option, you can still do that. Okay, so just go ahead and click add button. Okay, now you see the button submit has shown up, but I don't want mine to show to read submit. Rather, I wanted to read chat me up now. Okay, or chat with me. Yes, I wanted to read chat with me. So rather, I'm going to click on it and then edit. So if you see here button text and it says submit, I'm going to hit there, and I'll change it to chat with me. Okay, and I'm going to link it to the chat with me to my Facebook Messenger, my Facebook page Messenger, so that when people click, it takes them to the Messenger section. So the Messenger, so that they can send me a quick message on Messenger. So that's this link URL. Yes, I'm going to link it. Now if you're using a different messenger app like WhatsApp, like Talk.to, and any other messenger app, Telegram, you can just put your Telegram link here and it will take them down there. So I'm going to use my messenger link, m.me/official coach Kalen. Okay, so I'm going to make it open on a new tab so that people don't leave my website and forget about coming back. Okay, so I'm going to click this button that says open in new tab. So when people click the button, it takes them to a new home page on their browser. Now I'm done with that section. I'm going to go here down. You can see I'm going to scroll down. Yeah, so this time I'm going to change this background to white. Yes, I'm going to change it to white, solid color, and I'm going to make it white. Come on, white. I need white. Why is no going? So it's going black. Okay, fine. Black looks cool. So I'm going to use the black color then. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna check. The procedure, or the techniques of using this editor, this page editor is you click and you edit. You click and you edit. So it's just click and edit technique. So it doesn't have to stress you. You just have to click and make a change. So here I'm going to say hello, how are you today? So that's what I want there as my intro section, and I'm going to write some things. I just click. I can say let me copy or select all, and I'm going to say welcome to my space. This is a repository of my findings and personal books that help me grow my business and life positively. Okay, I'm just putting up anything there, okay, not a real these texts are not real, okay. I'm just putting up something there. So that's how I'm going to click and edit every section. Now if I want to add another section after this very section, I'm going to click on add item, and it's going to add another work with us section, but I don't want to have another section, so I'm going to go to manage item, okay. So now if I want to change any of these sections I have here, I want to delete, like I have the hello, how are you today, and this is my intro, so I don't need this work with us, blah blah blah. I don't really need it, so I want to remove it. What I do, I'm going to click on this manage items. Now when I click on the manage items, you can see the delete button, and you can see a button to move up and down. So if I need this section to come down, I'm going to hit this, it takes it down. Now you see the section down. So if I need it up, I just click the up arrow and it takes it up. That's just as simple as that. You just click. So now I'm going to hit delete to delete that section, and then this one, and then you can see now I just have my hello, how are you today, and then the welcome notes, and I click done. So that section is well crafted now, and I don't need to add any other thing. So I'm going to move on ahead to this very section here. Depending on what you're doing, so you just have to edit it the way it suits you. Remember, you have to draw your wireframe. For your wireframe, you have to draw your flowchart, your wireframe, and then your content, so that you can be able to know what to do, and you have to fix anything you want to fix. So for example, if I have as Coach Carlin repository, now I have a book, and this is the book image. So I'm just going to name this book how to create a converting sales funnel. Okay, that's a book, and a little description about the book. I'm going to have it there. Now I'm going to do same thing. I can change the image just like we do. So here I'm going to do design a wonderful website for your business. So here will be another image, and remember, if I want to add more items, remember how we do. We click on the manage items. You can edit, you can remove, you can add items. Even if you don't click on manage item, you can still add the item here. So now I'm done with that section, and I'm going to go to meet our team. So the meet our team, I can put my team members. If I need this to be my team, I can put my team members, their name and their designation, and that's it. Then I move to the inquiry section. Now about this inquiry section, it's automatically placed for you. So whatever email, once they put their name, their email or message, and they submit to you, it goes to the email you use in registering. Okay, it goes to the email you use in registering. So if you want to collect phone number too, you can collect a phone number, and that's it. So now if you want to set this email to go to a different email, maybe it's a client website, you're building a website for a client, and the mails, now this is your account. So when they send a mail, it should actually go to the client's email, not your email. So you come down here after clicking on edit, okay, and go back. So this is the contact form. I'll just click on the contact form, and the edit line shows. I hit the edit, and then I come here. So here you see you can change your text for the button, and then the recipient email. This is the email where the form, every message, everyone, once they fill the form, this is where they go to. So you're going to fix your client email there, and then once you send a message, it should show them a successful message. So now you're going to type your own thank you for contacting, let me say, contacting me. We can always keep in touch if you follow me on Facebook via www.facebook.com/official Coach Carlin. Okay, so now once they send a message, I want them to see this particular message, and I'm going to click done. And once I am done with everything, all rights reserved, Coach Carlin repository, Coach Carlin repository 2002 to 21. All rights reserved. Okay, so I'm done here, and once I'm done and I feel like everything is okay the way I want it, everything is okay the way I like it, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit the publish, and here we are, the publish section. So we have to remember, I told you Strikingly will be giving us a free subdomain, so we don't have to buy any domain name or hosting, as Strikingly is doing all that for us absolutely free. Okay, so here is your site address, so you're going to customize it to suit you. So I'm going to go ahead and change everything here, and I will have it as Coach Carlin. Okay, let's say I will have a CC library. Okay, so I have it cclibrary.strikingly.com. That's Coach Carlin library.strikingly.com. So the title, I'm going to name it Coach Carlin repository. Okay, that will be my title. Now I'm going to change my social so I'm going to change my social share image to look like something that looks like me. Okay, so I'm going to choose that from my phone. I'm going to choose it right from your phone. Okay, now you go to add a description on Coach Carlin official library repository website. Coach Carlin repository website. So you add the description. This is going to help you on Google search. Okay, now once you're done with this, now look down here. They say log into Strikingly on desktop for more advanced settings. Yes, so if you need to get more advanced settings, you have to edit it on a desktop or a laptop. Okay, so that you can get more settings like in the site builder, when we are the site editor, we have a, when you use the desktop, you can be able to add social media links to your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your WhatsApp, your um, YouTube channel. Okay, so but we can't do that with the mobile app. Okay, so for more functionalities, you have to make use of a desktop or a laptop to do that. So once you're done writing everything here, you're just going to hit on publish, and then you wait, and voila, here we are. You enjoying Strikingly? Yes. Okay, sure. Okay, now Hula, we have actually edited our site. Okay, we have actually finished editing our site, and it's ready for the whole world to see. No matter wherever you are in this planet Earth, once you can access the internet, you can access our website. Now we have our website domain name that we can share to our friends and family to go and access our website. Now that you can see, as I click on it, it officially takes me to my website. Woo! Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my God. So now this is our wonderful website, and now remember, Strikingly is giving us this wonderful website for free. So what do they do in return is having that little advert that you saw here, Strikingly to build with Strikingly. So that's all they have here for you, as for giving you this website for free, for free for giving you this website for free. And one thing, you can come back and make changes anytime you want to. You can make changes with this website anytime you want to. Now in my next class, I'll be teaching you how to create a sales funnel with this same wonderful application, where you can collect details from your subscribers and then send them a bulk email. You don't have to start sending them one after the other. You send them a bulk email at once. Now with this Strikingly theme, you can do that. You can create a squeeze page, you can create a landing page, you can create a sales page, and you can create a checkout page with this wonderful application for free, for absolutely free. Wow, yes, for free. So now if you want to get more out of this wonderful class, as I'm going to teach you, as I'm going to be teaching you more advanced way of running the website, but not with Strikingly, but I'm going to give you a full tutorial on using Strikingly and then other advanced application. Do sign up for my web design class, as I'll be doing all justice to all that in my web design class and sales funnel class for you all who get access into that class. And then you have access to my mentorship community, where I have a large number of persons participating as members there. I mentor you through the process of becoming a wonderful website designer and becoming a super sales funnel designer. So if you want to be one of these things I've mentioned here, just get into my community and of designers, and let's grow together. I'll be waiting for you over at the advanced class of this wonderful training, and I'll see you there with more features and more things to learn. Thank you very much for sticking with me through all this while, and I see you grow. I just want to see everyone grow. Okay, I just want to see everyone grow. Meanwhile, just drop a link to all your the website you've created with Strikingly. Let me give you a review and what you have to change and do or add to your website. I'm here to make you grow, and together we're going to grow. Thank you very much once again, and see you in my advanced class.